We have here a map or blueprint rack, whatever you want to refer to it as. Basically, these three boxes are 18-inch versions of that. This box is filled full of these, which are for the wall mount system, which is this right here. These two boxes are 42-inch clamps, I do believe. There's the tag. Yeah. So, or 36. So 2 36s and 1 30. But I put one, or these are all 36s. These are 30s. These two are 36s. So it has a lot of those. These are boxes of the yeah, 18-inch ones. So there's, oops, sorry buddy. There's 3 boxes of the 18-inch clamps, and it says there's four per box. That one only has 3 in it. Oh, it's right here. So it looks like 2 have been taken out. So yeah, all this stuff, the rack, everything, I would get rid of the whole lot for $300. And it's well over $1,000 worth of brand new stuff. Again, I'll just kind of go slow so you can grasp everything that's here. It's great that we cleared out a printing place and this was stuff that they had. Yeah, let me know.